The Azores, for me, it's one of the best places in the world to see marine wildlife. Some people think the cow should be the most famous animal in the Azores, but they are wrong. Sperm whales are the most famous animals that you can find here in Azores. The fact that we have resident species and we also have migrating species, we are talking about 1/3 of the entire species that exist in the world. To make them understand what they are seeing and why, more they can feel responsible to preserve and to make a contribution for its research and for their conservation.